you want to know what's the next bottom for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Da Vinci. I'm in a pipe 5x5. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in this beautiful world. Wow. Okay, let's just jump into the charts here. Bitcoin, it just took off, right? Shortly after Kramer said, yeah, I'm bullish everywhere. And then we're like, oh no. Kramer, why you have to go and do that? Why? And immediately, whoosh, tanked the market. He did that for everything. It was like free. Hey, you like your beautiful asset? Let me tank that for you by talking nicely about it. Oh, but look at this beautiful. Like you can see, this is the what I said parking garages before, right? You can see, right? Maybe these parking garages need to be moved jiggered a little bit, but I think they're fair. They're fair. Let's just see here. Yep, they're right. Maybe you can move them up or down a little bit, but I think that, yeah, I'm not gonna move them. So yeah, this looks good. And so you can see we went above the parking garage and failed. Whoosh, waboosh, and failed heavy. Vaboosh. And so where is the bottom for Bitcoin right now? Well, it looks like it's right here. It's right here at like almost where the gap is on the gap was almost closed. Right? It's $117,500 approximately. That's the bottom, right? Now you're saying, well, we didn't hit it. Well, we got close enough, right? But we got close enough. Hey, I need to disturb you for a second because I'm going to be doing a course on how to buy Bitcoin, how to use Bitcoin, how to use a wallet, how to use a hardware wallet, how to basically store Bitcoin for the long term. Because we all know that it's going to be the money. You need to have this. Very happy to help you guys. With 117,600-ish area, 700-ish. Yeah, we got close. So, am I saying this is the bottom? I think we're going to retest the lows here. I think we might retest the lows and maybe even retest it as low as the 17.5 or just you can see here that it closed the gap on the, if it were measuring on the, what's it called, Bybit's perpetuals, it closed the gap. The sad thing is, right, you can see, just like I said, right, even though it was a bad idea to buy up here, right, you might have been going, yeah, oh wow, happy, joy, and boom, right? This is what I told you guys. It was a bad idea back here to buy up here. Where I told you to buy, right, was down at the CME gap. And if you did that, well, look at that. Start buying at the 17.5. Look at that. You just got filled. And now you're good to go. That's the proper way. I told you guys that, right? Okay. Let's move on to Solana. See what's happening here. Solana. Oof. Did a nice pump. Didn't quite make it to its 220 destination. But then take a look at that. Take a look at the parking garage. I've been drawing parking garages on Solana and Bitcoin. Not on so much on Ethereum, but I'm sure there are some there. And look at that. Look at that. Boom. Bounced right off of it. Like clockwork. Oof. Amazing. Absolutely amazing when you look at it. And yeah, so where are we going from here? So can we make a trade? Well, let's see here. I'm not seeing any kind of, I'm seeing that we've broken the trend line, unfortunately. And unfortunately, I don't see any kind of trade here. This upward trend is broken. So let's go with another trend. Let's see here. Let's see if this trend, if it comes and retests this trend line, and then I think we should look for a long at that point. That's an easy long. So let's just wait for that to occur. And if you're looking for short, there's nothing here for you. man, this thing just just broke its what's it called? Recent highs, and so yeah, there's no short for you. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. Wow. Still falling. Still falling. Am I wrong about this thing? Is it just gonna collapse? Don't think so. But Bitcoin is about to say, hold my beer. Right? Maybe in October, right? Right? So we might have a little bit of a appeal, but I think at the very least in September, around the September time frame, like halfway through September, it's like, oh yeah, you guys, your alts, you thought you're gonna beat me with your alts? Wait a second. Oh boy. Okay. Looking at Ethereum. Yeah, we did do a little bit of test parking garage to see what that happens. And yeah, we can see that there is a parking garage here on Ethereum. And yeah, we backed off. Not as much as everything else. Right? Ethereum is holding like crazy. And so you see it's just like, I'm going to draw some nice trend lines here. And here? Oof, yeah, look at that. Boom. That's a huge trend line. Cross of that, right, could spell a little bit of a doom for Ethereum for a little bit, but not so much, right? I think Ethereum has a lot of momentum right now, and it can continue going higher. All right, with that said, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.